Hello, hello, my dear friends, my future travel agents or the travel agents who are in my team. Today I'm gonna show you how to use the Carnival Cruise Line website if you already register with them as a travel agent. So you go into goccl.com and I'm gonna show you exactly how it look like. It's very easy. It's one of the best and easiest website I ever work with. So it's super convenient and very, very easy to navigate. In comparison with other cruise lines, this is probably one of the best. Okay, I'm gonna click right here for now. And I'm gonna show you each one of those. So if you go here and booking, you can do a lot of things here. You can do the individual booking, group booking, manage booking, and you can see rates and promotions and all kinds of stuff. Here in ships and sailings, you can find out information about every ship that Carnival has. And as you may see, they have a lot. And they're coming soon 2 more new ones. And you can learn information about that as well. When they come in, what's the difference, why they will be, different, and what is the new features maybe that you can start promoting that and explain to your clients. Here, marketing tools. In marketing tools, you have also a huge variety of what you can do. You can have, flyers, e-brochures, destination flyers. You have even the Carnival YouTube channel here, logos and videos, images, all kinds of stuff. And you have also the brochures orders option, which you can just order it for free and they will ship it to you for free. I did it as well. So booked clients, here you can see their payment information and also additional links, which I'm not gonna go through all of that right now, but you can explore it as well later on your own time. Here is a training and events. What I highly recommend you to do, guys, if you would like to be professional and if you would like to sell cruises, you have to complete the training. You don't need to wait until you complete the training to start selling, but it's not a requirement. But you can at least invest 30 minutes of your time every day to complete the training, because I'm going to show you that's a lot of modules. They are very easy. There is nothing crazy. You don't have to be afraid to do so. Because our company, Travel, they provide us with all of those resources and training, again, to help you guys to be more professional, to learn more about this industry. And maybe you already sail with Carnival before, or maybe not, maybe you're just thinking about it, but again, you have to know why Carnival is different from any other cruise ships, because we have so many other companies like MSC, Princess Cruise Line, Celebrity, Regent Voyages, and etc. And you guys have to understand and be more professional to help your clients to choose the best option. So here you can see my Learn and Earn progress. And they have several levels: gold, platinum, and diamond. In each of those modules, you have 8 to complete. This is my progress right now because I just started it not long ago. And when it's green, it says it's complete. When it's red, obviously, it's not complete. And if you click right here, some of those modules, they just like 5-6 minutes. Some of them may take even 30 minutes. But I haven't seen anything longer than 30 minutes. And then at the end, when you're watching the video, this module is about dining on the Carnival Cruise Line. And then you, take the quiz. And usually it's about 5 questions. Sometimes it's less. It really depends. And then you press submit. And that's how you go through every module and every topic of the training. So, which is really easy, but again, guys, it takes time. Everybody can do that, and then you will be more proficient. So you can choose to learn from platinum level or diamond level if you think that this topic or that topic, let's say, will be easier for you to start. So it doesn't matter which one you start first. I just started from the first one and I completed all of this. I just have one more left, and then I'm gonna go to next. You know, you can choose from the diamond, which I completed one yesterday, and you will learn what it means to be the hero, and all kinds of stuff. So, you know, how to do the group reservation, how, what type of dining they have, how much the Wi-Fi on board, what is the beverage packages, drink package, and it's very, very, you know, helpful for you as well to understand, because clients always asking a lot of questions, especially those one who never been on the cruise before. So and you have to be able to explain to them all kinds of stuff, what they can take with them on the board, if you know, travel insurance is included, or if you can book flights for them as well, which you can, and all of that you will learn from that training. Okay, so if you go to shopping, I'm not sure what it is. Okay. So shopping, the section shopping, it's for us, for travel agents as well. And when you have enough rewards points, you can choose and use your points to buy those things that you can see right now on the screen. And as you may see, that's a lot. It's not only just gift cards or something. It's just, I mean, everything that you can even think of, you know, like electronics, wow, you know, home and garden and jewelry and all kinds of stuff. It's crazy because I haven't seen anything like that in any other cruise website. Yeah, I know that we able to earn points as well, but I haven't seen none of the offers like that. So it's amazing that Carnival actually offer us that, you know. And here you can see the gift cards as well that you may choose from their inventory. And if we go to okay, I have just 8 points right now, I guess. Yeah. Okay, guys, so if we go in back home page, that's what's gonna happen. And here you see the agent rewards. So again, you can learn about how agent rewards works. I'm not going to explain to you it right now because it's your job to do your homework. The only thing that I may say that when you just started and you are new in this business, when you're a travel agent, so you earn commission, right, from your sales, but also you will earn those points from those reservations. And on Carnival Cruise Line website, it's already included in your reservation. So they make it very, very easy. And of course, don't forget to register your booking on IntelliTravel website, because you want to get paid, obviously. And I will discuss a little bit more about that, how to register your booking in another video for you guys. But this is now, this is all for now, how to work with Carnival Cruise Line website. This is only for travel agents, guys. So make sure that you register with them and start learning. The more you learn, the more you earn. That's the you know, the slogan of our company, and it really works that way. I wish you good luck in your journey and this rewarding career of travel agent, guys, and hope to see you in my team. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out.